Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is how we have set our steaming room. Do let me know in the comments how does it look, and also if you have any suggestions, please do let me know. Thank you for watching.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what